Okay, I love this thing. Hey, morning. So a lot of people have asked about where is the unboxing video, where is the delivery video of the Z4. So such ये है कि there is no such proper unboxing video because the car was shipped in a big truck from Mumbai to Bhubaneswar and we took the delivery on the highway somewhere near Khurda. So I still have some videos from my iPhone or OnePlus, I don't remember. So here are some of the videos. You can check how it reached, how it normally gets packed in a truck, how it safely comes from one city to other. So this is how normally supercars or fast cars are shipped. And I was actually very nervous about the safety and scratch kahin na ho jaye, but it was really shipped very well. So I had to tip off the driver as well. It was nice. So you can see that बहुत बड़ा ट्रक है, उसके अंदर इससे भी और भी बड़ा कार शायद आराम से आ सकता है. उसके नीचे उनका ही खुद का एक लीवर है, उसमें आप आराम से ऊपर से नीचे ला सकते हो. So basically it's safe. Maybe this is something what they do every day. This is their everyday job. So it gets shipped nicely and safely. And after the unboxing, we still had some time to make a small video. I had taken the cameras and all that stuff. But वहाँ लोग इतने भीड़ हो गए, कुछ वीडियो नहीं गया है. इतना भीड़, फटाक से ट्रक से हमने उतारा, फट से I left for office. So once we reached office, went for the puja.
दरोपा शिव शिवा रोहिणी शंकरी सर्व माता दुर्गा.
हाँ था उसी थे. So that's how the little unboxing was done for the car, and that's how the delivery was taken. There is no specific video about the unboxing or unpacking stuff. It was just a truck thing, so not much to show it to you guys. But there is going to be a lot of videos about the car, about the features, because I see there are not a lot of videos about this car since just released in the US and UK as well, so in Europe markets as well. So there are not much videos about the features and all that stuff. I'll be making a lot of videos about the features, how to set it up, and first ride, then first review, how it can be a daily driver, the experience and review as a daily driver. So all those videos incoming. I just need to get to the highway right now. I'm kind of pissed off riding inside the city. It's not something which you can ride every day, but still you can try. Okay, I love this music. Love it. Symphony. Music. Alright, that's it guys. If you have got any questions or if you need any kind of specific videos about the Z4 to be done, let me know in the comment section below. I will go ahead and do it, because in a bike at least I cannot carry my stuff, but in the car I can carry stuff, make the videos. It's easy. I normally wake up at 5 a.m. so 5 to 7 I work. After 7 I can anyways come out, do a video and reach home. Alright, I will see you guys later. अबे 16 बज गया, केड़े बड़ो हम बे.